We've got an emergency IKEA run. We need to get a green plant. Our apartment lacks greenery. We're gonna try go to IKEA, get a plant. Boy, it's looking fresh. You notice. I think you guys are gonna enjoy what I have in store for you guys. Let me not jinx it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me get out of here. See you guys at IKEA. Yeah. I forgot to mention, Kholz, she said apparently the ice cream at IKEA slaps. I didn't expect any ice cream, but now I'm expecting the best ice cream Thailand has to offer. So stay tuned, yeah? What are you saying? Are you sleeping in the job, madam?
I'm not sleeping.
IKEA, like the concept is quite crazy because like they give you the feel and the full experience of the product. You know what I'm saying? Like you get to see the house dressed up, everything in it, and how it would look in your own space if you use all the things. Do you get what I'm saying? Sick idea. Kholz has me walking all over IKEA. We had found the plants that we're looking for. She left them and she wanted to go look. Now, this thing is built in a maze and people aren't going the opposite direction. They're only going one direction. I don't think the signs on the floor also helps because it feels like you are only supposed to be walking in one direction. As a result, we tried to go around only to find out that this store is huge. So there's the famous ice cream. When are we having the famous ice cream? It's right there. After dessert. For today, man. It's that easy right now. It's that easy right now. I don't know, man. Starbucks, I used to like it before, but I think I became a coffee connoisseur, and I was very disappointed to find out that they don't really make the best coffee. And I think that heartbreak still like exists now because I was just so, on Team Starbucks for the coffee for the longest of times. However, I did realize that it is business at the end of the day, and that's why they do things the way that they do. So I should get over it, which I am. And then saying that, it was great today. I don't know if it's because of the flowers that we had at the flower store, but it was great. We got a mushroom pie. Yeah. Chicken and mushroom pie. I didn't see the chicken, but anyway. But yeah, it's a chicken and mushroom pie. And yeah. And a caramel frap. Yeah. And a caramel frap. Now, downstairs was quite the vibe. We're playing the music, it's very chilled cafe vibes. For some reason, we decided to go upstairs, and it seemed very serious, because everyone was there to work. Yeah, everyone, as we're walking towards the seats by a table, it's just everyone, every table had laptops, notepads, and it seemed very serious. It seemed like we were being funny for trying to relax on a Sunday.